R is region bounded by y is equal to e to the power of negative x and y is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2 about the line y is equal to 2. To solve problems like this, I will graph it out first, okay? Okay, this is a very huge unnecessarily graph. Let's keep things small. Smaller the better. Never heard that, right? Well, anyway, let's graph y is equal to e to the power of negative 1, x. That will look like this, okay? This is 1, this is 1, this is 2. Very common sense. And we have another region that is bounded by, which one is y is equal to 1. So we have a horizontal line like so. And another line that we have is x is equal to 2. That's a vertical line at x is equal to 2, which it will have this. And this is the region bounded, and we will call this the R. Okay, and this right here, the shaded portion, obviously, is going to spin across y is equal to 2. This is y is equal to 2, my arm. And this shaded R is this, okay? There's an invisible line up here, but I can't do that now. It is spinning across the y is equal to 2 and making a 3D object. And the volume is what we are here to solve for. So let's mirror image this across the y is equal to 2. Okay, back to fun. When I spin across this, I will get a circle like so, okay? Kind of like the thing that you see at the bottom of a rocket ship. Yeah, like the trapezoid. And to solve this, I will get the volume of this disk, and then subtract it by this smaller disk. Okay, so the bigger disk is on the region R. Okay, so I don't think you guys can see it well. So I will make a bigger view of this. The bigger, what do you call that? I forgot. The disk, yeah. The bigger disk of this short length, right, is equal to dx. You guys should know all of these, what I say by now. And now let's find the area of the circle, which first to do that, I need to find the radius. Okay, I will show you guys how to find the radius of that. Okay, so radius of this whole thing. Right here, all of this is equal to 2. But if I subtract this length, very small length, is equal to y, I get 2 minus y. But everything has to be in terms of x because we have dx. So the y, we will change it into a x form. That's easy because it says y is equal to e to the power of negative x. A great hint. So we have 2 minus e to the power of negative x, square it, multiply pi, multiply dx. Yay, we found the volume of this now. And now, let's find the disk, okay? You see, this doesn't look like a disk. So, let's redraw that. Okay, this very short length is, of course, still is equal to dx. And now, this disk right here, the area is just equal to 1, okay? So, pi times r squared, r is equal to 1. Okay, so pi times 1 squared and times dx. If I subtract both of them, I only get these parts that will spin across dy is equal to 2. So let's have pi times 2 minus e to the power of negative x. I made a very weird color. Let me rinse that out. Okay, finally got it. So now we have pi times e minus e to the power of negative x to the power of 2. Dang it! This isn't a good space to do so. Okay, again, let's have pi times 2 minus e to the power of negative x squared minus pi 1 squared, and then all of that by dx. And let's set the integral. The best part when you do calculus, because without this we can't do anything. So the integral sign from what to where? 2 to 0. Okay? 2 to 0. And since the pi is a coefficient, it can come out here. Yeah. And now let's expand this a bit, okay? So all of this, let's... Very smart what I just did, right? You guys should do that too. When I expand that, I get 3 minus 4 times e to the power of negative x, and then a plus e to the power of negative 2x. Okay? And also, yeah, when I expand that, I get that. And then, this is our legit equation that we will solve for. And of course, dx. It's a weird looking dx. Better. So now let's integral that. When I do, I get 3. When I integral, I get 3x minus, actually, 4. I mean, wait, what? What am I saying? Okay, let's restart. When I integral that, I get plus 4 times e to the power of negative x minus whatever I will do will be divided by 2, and then I have e, and whatever that is of the whatever is equal to e to the power of negative 2x. Yes, seems very good. Okay, and now, of course, we still have the integral from 2 to 0. So 2 to 0. If you don't have it in your room, we could delete something. Well, let's erase this. And this, why not? Okay, so all of this, more simplified versions of that would be putting in the 2 right there, which I get 6, then a plus 4 over e to the power of 2 minus 1 over 2 times e to the power of 4. Was all that correct? Yeah, I think so. So, yeah, and then we just have found this. And now let's put in the 0. 0 times 0 is equal to 0. Okay, nothing there. And then, but when I put 0 into there, we get just 4. And then a minus 1 over 2. So 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. But there's a minus 1 over 2. So that's 5 over 2. So pi times 4 over e to the power of 2 minus 1 over 2 times e to the power of 4, and then a plus 5 over 2. Yay, we just found our answer. That wasn't that long. I'm guessing it's like 6 minutes, so yeah. I'm very glad I saved your time and for making you guys learn something. So see you guys next time. Bye.